Hey everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to download and install the Office package, which includes Excel, Word, and other Microsoft programs. First, go to Start and open the Microsoft Store. We need Microsoft 365 here. There, we need the specific app, yes. Click Open to use Office apps for free in the browser. Remember, this is a free trial version. The main programs are paid to download to your computer. Okay. To download the full Office suite to your computer, search Office package in your browser. You'll need to buy it on the official website. It's here or in the Office itself. In the Microsoft Store, you'll find personal subscriptions and programs. There. It includes downloadable programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and more. That's all. This has been Name. Goodbye, everyone.